Hola, homies, it's K2 Placer, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? It's like Would You Rather, but I couldn't find that. Okay, so let's see here. Will You Press the Button.com. You have super fast internet. You lose 10 years off your life. I already have super fast internet, so no. So 37. Okay. That's a good question, actually. You have the ability to breathe underwater. It's only salt water. You can swim super fast. It's only salt water. You can't swim super fast, and you can't talk to any of the wildlife that live in the water. So what? That's a good question, actually. Crazy senseless. Would you rather have crazily senseless lovemaking with Emma Watson? Also have to do the Mars. I don't know what that is. Whatever. That's a good. I don't even know who either. You can have the girl/boy of your dreams. You cannot have sex with them. Or I can still make out. Someday these are probably going to come true. Have a permanently young and attractive witch will use her magic to do anything, even remotely considered work for you, and do almost anything you want. Oh. She literally does everything work-related, so you can't tell her to let you brush your own teeth? Whatever. That's a good question, though. You have one night with 3 swimsuit models to do whatever you want. No one will ever believe you if you tell them. Whatever. It's not what other people think, it's your opinion that matters. You will always know where that thing you're looking for is. You will lose your sense of direction. No! You get to create your own island and have whoever you want to live there, and you can build whatever you want there. You are not allowed to bring your family, and you would never see them again. No! That's a good question. Well, cure cancer. Get cancer uncurable. I think I'd want to cure cancer. Because, I just saved, millions. One life over millions, I'd do that. All typos on the internet are prevented and or corrected. You can't feel your fingertips when you type. I don't know what that is. Well, whatever. That's a good question, bro. You can gain immortally and unlimited stamina. Nothing will ever end your existence, not even the death of the universe. Okay, why not? This is good. You can only eat cake for the rest of your life. The cake is a lie. I get sick of cake, so no. Well, I couldn't have cheeseburgers either, so. You can make anyone real and have them fall in love with you. They will love you to the point where they will kill anyone of the opposite sex. Well, what? They will love you to the point they will kill anyone of the opposite sex you talk to and will want to be with you all the time, even in death. I pressed the button! You become a guard of any faction in any fictional universe of your choosing. You take an arrow to the knee. I don't want that to happen. You can have sex with any person you want. You have to do it in the missionary position for the sole purpose of... I don't know what that is. But I don't. They're a child, so... You become a superhero with whatever powers you want. You have to wear the costume everywhere you go and can't prove that you are in fact a superhero. Whatever! You can absorb all the knowledge of a book just by touching it. You get a migraine every day. I will not. Good question, though. Be infinitely rich. Be of the gender you don't want to be. I won't. I don't want to be a millionaire or a billionaire. I mean, I guess it would be nice, but having that much money would kind of just get boring. Every time you open your fridge, your favorite food shows up. Your tastes change when you eat it. That happens with every food. You can fly at the same speed you can walk. Whatever. That's a good question. You have super speed. You always have to be moving. I don't even want super speed because I have asthma. You will have the superhuman ability to fly, unaided with no limitations or restrictions. Your lifespan will be reduced by 20 years upon acceptance? Well, I don't want to fly anyway. You become the god of sex and can do it with anyone or anything in any reality in any form you choose. You never feel pleasure. No one knows you exist. Weird. It's a good question. You get $10,000 a month for free. Whatever. $10,000 a month. That would be nice. You gain the ability to teleport yourself by concentrating on where you want to go. You can gain the ability. You need to do complex physical and geometry calculations to end up where you want. Errors can result in serious injury, loss of limbs, and or a gruesome death. No, thank you. Good question. Zombie invasion. You can save the world. You will die. It's kind of what happened in The Walking Dead Season 2. Lee saved everyone he could in his group, but he died for them and for Clementine. So, yeah. Nah, I'm just kidding. I would not do that. We could just nuke the world. You'll have everything you always wanted. Live only for 5 years? No! Good question. You are given $10 million. You have to write 200 times after every number 2. I will press the button, because... Alright. You get to bring back anyone from the dead. You die 3 days after bringing them back. So can I bring back Michael Jackson and hang out with him? Yeah, I'll press the button. You get your Hogwarts acceptance letter. You'll have to give up all electronics forever. No, I don't want magic over electronics. That's a terrible question, too. The sequel to any game of your choosing is released and is a 10/10 in all aspects. The developer is quickly bought out by EA, and the series, as well as every other series created by the developer, is ruined. No, I can't have Assassin's Creed or Far Cry ruined. That's a good question, though. You get a new life and your body will be exactly how you want it. The old you will still be alive. However, you can never meet them of anyone. You get a new life and your body to be exactly how you want it. The old you will still be alive. However, you can never meet them or anyone you knew. No! Because I'd miss my family. You can change your gender or anyone else's whenever you want. You have to stick with your decision for a month. Gotta admit, that's pretty freaking cool. You change... Oh, I already read that one. Okay, next, you run a Methentine destruction business and have billions of dollars. You have cancer, your wife hates you, and F's her boss. You kill most people who matter, and your son is autistic. If I could kill Donald Trump, I'd do it, though. You become awesome. No one likes you. That's not how physics work. If you're awesome... everyone likes you. Yeah, we're just gonna have to get rid of that. Delete this. No! Screw it! Okay. I'm not. I don't want to be. I'm already awesome anyway. You become the greatest player in your favorite sport, unbeatable. You only make $25,000 a year if you choose to play professionally, though. You can still have another occupation. Oh my god, the Razer Amazon Prime's just like, the Razer Death Adder now is $60. That's like $10 off. And the Razer Mamba is like a few bucks off. Do you really think I'm gonna go get the Razer Death Adder if I already have one? Of course not. And it's the blue LED, so that's quite nice. No, I don't even like sports. That's a good question for like Bill Gates. No, not Bill Gates. Kurt Cobain will come back to life and make 20 more new. I don't even know who he is. Oh wait, yeah, and I hate his music. You become the world's greatest DJ. You have to live in your grandmother's basement. No, I don't even really want to make music. It's good. You can have sex with anyone you desire. You're severely depressed until you find the man/woman you are ordinarily going to marry. Good question. You can have any movie star you want at your beck and call. Whatever you do with this movie star will be recorded for a new hit reality show. I'll be on TV. It's a good question. You get to go back in time to kill Hitler. Vaccines, there are none. Yes! Kill Hitler! Kill Hitler! You live in the anime world. You will never remember the real world. Does that mean I could be an Attack on Titan and fly everywhere and kill naked people? But I can't remember my TV, everything I've ever done. No, not happening. It's a good question. Really, and now an anime game pops up. You gain the ability to time travel when you close your eyes. You hear whispering and feel something touching you whenever your eyes are closed. Oh. I'm gonna press all the buttons. I will press all the buttons. That's a bad question. You can go to Hogwarts. Bridge is the headmaster. I don't know who that is, and I don't even want to be. Go to Hogwarts. Sex with anyone, anywhere, anytime, except at work. Work 8 hours a day at a job you hate for every day. Whatever. I already go to school 8 hours. You get $1 every time you pick your nose. You always have to fart on your food before you eat it. That's a good question. Become the best guitarist ever. If anyone is able to hear you playing, you can only play that one riff from Smoke on the Water until they leave. I don't even want to become a guitarist. Your dream video game gets made. It's developed by that studio you don't like. I don't have a video game studio I don't like, because video games are wonderful. Microsoft's great. Every video game studio is good because they're video games. You get the John Bonham's skills on drum. You'll acquire a permanent beard regardless of your genre. I don't even want to do drums. I don't like this. Well, they're actually cons. Well, that's a good question for music fans. You can do anything you want to anyone you want at any moment. Nobody will blame you for anything. Anyone you hold dearest or come to hold dearest will be brutally murdered in front of your eyes, and you cannot prevent So that means I can't, like, jump in front of the person and they kill me instead? Nope. Nope. Can't have my parents die. You have to maintain a direct democracy? No, I don't want to rule the world. You can master. I don't really know what that is. Oh, I know what that is. Okay. You can change anyone's mind and even take them to places at your mind desire, swing them to a factory that you made to brutally kill and dismember them for their body parts. What? Oh my gosh, no. I don't know why I pressed that. You can have any superpower for everyone knows and wants your help. I don't want superpowers. Sex will become 10 times better for you. It will become 10 times worse for your partner. Yes, it's your opinion that matters, not theirs. You're gay. You get anything you want except to be straight. I mean, just because you're considered gay doesn't mean you can't do things not gay. You will become Superman / Superwoman. You will lose your genital. I don't want superpowers for the 20th time. That leaves it for this episode of Will You Press the Button? I probably might do it again, but yes, this is the end of the video. You guys so watching this video. Like it, press that button. But everyone, be nice and good hugs. Thank you guys. Now, see you. Let's go. I never will. Okay, thank you guys! Now we'll sell it out!